Look at that. Look at that. Perch. First perch of the year on the crankbait. That makes me wanna get the freaking, makes me want to put the BFS stuff on, man. Holy moly. I can honestly say this might be the first perch I've ever caught. Ah! Easy perch. Look at that, guys. Perch. Beautiful. Pretty. There you go, Mr. Perch. Look at that, smallie, baby. Take him. Got him. A little small. I'll take it. Not bad. We switched up, trying to catch a little bit of perch. Got him on the BFS, man. A little small jaw. No way, my first crappie ever. Look at that. My first crappie I've ever caught. Now that it's freaking sweet. Turned into a little multi-species video here, buddy. Little crappie. Get the BFS rolling. And then look what happens, man. Starts just catching fish. Woohoo! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! There it is! Cranked him! Cranked him! Yes, sir! Yes. Worth the trip. Boom. There's good bass in here. You just gotta get them. If you can get some. Look at that. Look at them. Alright. We ain't gonna weigh our scales all the way back there. It's like 3 or 4 pounds. Good bass. Look at all this. We're in the riprap. How am I gonna do this? Alright. There you go, buddy. Woo-hoo-hoo! Hell yeah. Let's get another. Let's get another. On the DT10. crappie. Gonna be a crappie, baby. Oh, perch. Ah, spiky little guy. Little perch. Just a little guy. God, look at that crappie. Look at the size of that crappie. Whole first the other day, my first crappie, and then I catch this freaking thing. Look at that. Oh my God, ripped his lip almost. Thought it was a bass fish in my net. Fat old crappie, baby. Look at that. Awesome. Here we go. Oh, that was awesome. Oh, it's a good one. I don't know what it is. If it's a crappie, it's a good one. Ooh, if it's a crappie, it's a good one. Maybe too many head shakes for a crappie, though. Oh, it's a crappie. It's a big one. It's a big crappie. Jesus God. Shit. That is huge. Now that is a slab, fellas. Slab, baby. God, man, I've never caught a crappie, and then I'm catching these guys. Look at these. Look at these. That is awesome. That is freaking awesome. Oh, this is awesome, man. Crappie. Catching crappies. Oh my goodness. Look at that, guys. Big old bass on the crankbait at the end. Got him. Another good one. Fatties. fatties, man. Look at that guy. He is eating. Eating, man. Fat. Just fat, man. Crazy. Crazy fat. Heck yeah. Ooh, I found them. I found them. I found them. I'll tell you that much. I found the crappie. Guys, no doubt about it. I have found them. Dobbins BFS style, bro. Crazy. Look at this one. Another, man. Look at that. Eat, bro. Alright, eat.